off the plane. Not going to. Not going to. Not going to. Nope.
I was trying to listen.
Nope. No. So what's going on? No. Stop it. Stop it. No. I need to get the off this plane right now. I need to get the off this plane. We're going to the gate. See what happens. See what happens after this. See what happens.
Where's your bag? Is your bag still over there?
Yes. See what the happens after
She has a bag underneath.
I don't even give a about my shit.
License verified, disarm door, standby for all call.
I'm a licensed attorney, so just be careful. I'm a licensed attorney.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about it? I'm telling you, I'm getting the off, and there's a reason why I'm getting the off, and everyone can either believe it or they cannot believe it. I don't give two but I am telling you right now, that mother back there is not real. And you can sit on this plane and you can die with them or not. I'm not going to.